This is the Jamaican coat of arms with the national motto out of many one people based on our multiracial roots. The motto is represented on the coat of arms, showing a male and female member of the Taino tribe standing on either side of a shield which bears a red cross with five golden pineapples. And you can see the crest shows a Jamaican crocodile mounted on the royal helmet of the British monarchy and mantling. Now, the motto prior to this one was "The Indians twain shall serve one Lord." It was replaced in 1962 with the motto that you're looking at right now as a tribute to the unity of different cultural minorities that live ayad. That's our historical bite of the week. Do check out all our products as it relates to the Out of Many One People Jamaican coat of arms in the link in description.